bit of awareness that we want to have with this advocacy. So as you know, Anlene has always strived to be the expert in mobility nutrition. And along with this, we've always strived to create a world where every Filipino has the chance to move freely even as they age. That's why it's very alarming for us, yung statistics that we've been reiterating kanina. 6 out of 10 Filipinos are already at risk of osteoporosis. And what's worse is that there are no visible signs, honestly. Or sometimes, our body tries to tell us, yung kapag humuyuko ka, may crack na, mahirap nang umabot ng mga bagay-bagay. But sometimes we think that these are just signs of aging. These are inevitable. There's nothing to fix. And because there's nothing to fix, we don't act on it. And that's very alarming for us. So another statistic that Doc Len mentioned earlier was that 97% of Filipinos are actually calcium deficient. So again, that's very alarming because that tells us one thing. It's that Filipinos don't really pay attention or pay enough attention to their bones, joints, and muscle health. That's why we are lucky enough to be partnering with the Osteoporosis Society of the Philippines Foundation, Inc. Thank you po for partnering with us with this advocacy. And our goal is one thing. It's to shed light into this silent epidemic. So we're not really aiming to scare anybody. If anything, what we want to do is to inspire action and to remind everybody that, hey, this epidemic exists, it's a thing, and more importantly, there is something that you can do right now to prevent it, address it, manage it. So again, as mentioned by Doc Len, everybody deserves access to treatment, to prevention, as well as being educated about the importance of bones, joints, and muscle health. And that's primarily the core of this advocacy. But the first step in any advocacy, or any campaign rather, is knowing, because you can't fix what you don't know. That's why we urge everybody, for those who haven't tried the bone scanning, get your bone scan. It is critical to have your bone scanned as early as possible, as regularly as possible. This is not a one-time thing. Because as mentioned by Doc Len earlier, bone density loss starts as early as 30 years old, or minsan nga late 20s. So in fact, if I may share, during our bone scan activations for Anlene, we've encountered Filipinos who are osteopenic as early as the age of 25. Oh my gosh. Sometimes nga college student, osteopenic na. So again, this tells us that this epidemic exists. This doesn't really pick an age. So everybody cannot be complacent about this thing. And we have to know, we have to acknowledge, and we have to educate ourselves in terms of how to manage it. And that's really our goal for this advocacy. But the thing is, for Filipinos, sometimes it's intimidating to get treatment, to get diagnosis. Some people would say, naku, ang mahal. Or sometimes people would say, the testing centers are too far from where we are. That's why Anlene is committing to eradicate those barriers. And that's with two things. First is going straight to where the consumers or where the Filipinos are. And second, making bone scanning free for those who are joining these activations. And our commitment is 1 million free bone scans by the year 2030. So more than a number, that means 1 million more Filipinos who get to be educated about their bone health status. And more importantly, 1 million more Filipinos who are empowered to act on it now.